गर्दन को गोल घुमाएं. Slow and conscious. No jerks or sudden movements when it comes to the neck. The muscle and fascia of the face runs through the neck to the shoulders. A good neck rotation relaxes the entire upper body. Reverse the direction. After you complete the round, विपरीत दिशा. अच्छे से नेक रोल करने से पूरे गर्दन कंधों को विश्राम मिलता है. पूरी सजगता के साथ कीजिए. And relax. Come back to the center. So today we are going to do something called सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. आज हम एक कुछ आसन या तो आसन तो नहीं कह सकते इनको, कुछ हल्के से स्ट्रेचेस हैं जो कहलाते हैं सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. So for that, first place your right palm on top of the head as if your hand is stuck to the scalp and massage the scalp. Don't worry about your hairstyle. Give yourself a nice smile and massage the top of your scalp. अपने हाथ से सिर की त्वचा को गोल घुमाएं. And relax. Now with the thumb and index finger, gently massage the eyebrows going from in to out. You're pinching, very gently pinching the eyebrows. तर्जनी और अंगूठे से भवों को हल्के से दबाएं. Make sure you're not pressing too hard. And relax. Now with your index and middle finger, place them on your temples as if your fingers are stuck to the skin and gently make circles moving the skin. आपकी पहली दोनों उंगलियां कनपट्टी की त्वचा से चिपक गई हों, ऐसे गोल घुमाएं. Reverse the direction. अब विपरीत दिशा में. This relaxes the eye muscles. Relax. Now take your index finger, place it at the base of your nose where the nostrils are just outside and press, press, press. Release. Go to the center of the nose on the sides and press, press, press. Now take your fingers to the root of the nose. Press, press, press and release. Once again, index and middle finger at the jaw joint. जो आपका जबड़े का जोड़ है उस पे अपनी ये दोनों उंगलियों को रखें. Here you can put a little bit of pressure. So press, release, press, release. This joint you can make out when you open and close your jaw. You can feel a joint here. Press that joint. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. Now catch hold of your ear, top of the ear, pull it up, up, up. Outwards, out, out, out. Lobe of the ear, down, down, down. Very good. Now let's massage the jawline. With your thumb and your knuckle, massage the jaws. You can do this with a pinch of force. थोड़ी सी जोर के साथ आप अपनी ये जो गाल के नीचे की हड्डी है उसको, जबड़े की हड्डी को मसाज करें. Now pinch your cheeks, pull your cheeks. अपने गालों को खींचें. And relax. Now with the right hand, gently massage the left side of the neck from the base of the ear till the collarbone in smooth sweeping movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the other side, left hand to just behind the ears from here to the collarbone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake out your hands at the wrist and relax. We will do some more Sukshma Vyayam and facial massage exercises tomorrow. So, whatever we have done today, you can practice it once in the evening if you wish. So let's start today's session by first I want to welcome all of you on day 6 of the 14-day Breath in Meditation Challenge. आज चौथे दिन आप सबका स्वागत है. Pat yourself on the back if you have been consistently coming for 6 days, and you can write 6 in the comments. If today is your 3rd, 4th or 5th day, do write that for your own self. It helps you stay more committed. अगर आज आप छठे दिन से आ रहे हैं, छठा दिन है आपका, तो 6 लिख दीजिए. अगर तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा जो भी दिन है वो ज़रूर लिखें. इससे आप खुद सजग होते हैं कि ऐसे ही कमिटमेंट से आप आगे आते रहें. राइट? ओके. See, in our body, there are many, many different systems, right? There is the circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, and so on. One such very important system in our body is the lymphatic system. Now, what is lymphatic system? In simple words, it is the drainage of the body, drainage network. Like in your home, you have the drainage pipes, right? They take away all the waste from the body, from your house. Now, if one of these drains gets clogged, what happens? Waste accumulates, then, it becomes unhygienic. So you need to keep your drains clear, isn't it? The same way, lymph drains toxins from our body. And so, good lymph circulation is critical for good health. देखिए हमारे शरीर में अलग-अलग कार्य प्रणालियाँ हैं, है ना? अलग-अलग systems हैं, जैसे कि circulatory, digestive, और ऐसा ही एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण system है lymphatic system. ये lymphatic system क्या है? ऐसे मानिए जैसे आपके घर में जो पानी, जो मल दूषित पानी होता है वो कैसे जाता है? नालियों के द्वारा बाहर जाता है ना. वैसे ही हमारे शरीर का जो ड्रेनेज नेटवर्क है उसको कहते हैं लिम्फैटिक सिस्टम. अब घर में कोई नाली ब्लॉक हो जाए तो क्या होता है? वो गंदा पानी या जो भी मल दूषित दोष है वो इकट्ठा होने लगता है ना? वैसे ही अगर शरीर में लिम्फैटिक ड्रेनेज अच्छे से नहीं हो रही है तो उससे क्या होता है? शरीर में मल का को इकट्ठा होने लगता है और इससे बहुत सी बीमारियां होती हैं. This accumulation of toxins, this sluggish lymph movement can be the harbinger of so many diseases. So we need to learn how to keep lymph flow going in our body, and for that there are 2 main ways. One is exercise and the other is pranayama. So when we are doing deep breathing exercises, when we are doing pranayama, we are engaging our abdominal muscles, our diaphragm, and this helps to clear the fluid, the lymphatic fluid from our main lymph nodes which are present in this area. देखिए 2 तरीके हैं कि शरीर में अच्छे से lymph, जो lymphatic system है उसका flow अच्छे से रहे. उसके लिए क्या तरीका है? एक है व्यायाम और दूसरा है प्राणायाम. तो कुछ ना कुछ एक्सरसाइज हमें रोज करनी ही चाहिए. और साथ में जब हम प्राणायाम करते हैं तो उससे क्या हो रहा है? पेट की जो मांसपेशियां हैं, डायफ्राम है, वो एक्टिवेट होता है और उससे लिम्फ की ड्रेनेज अच्छे से होती है लिम्फ नोड्स से, जो कि हमारे इस हिस्से में पाए जाते हैं. Lymphatic drainage, good lymphatic circulation is the key to good health. It impacts your, toxin elimination from the body. It impacts metabolism, even digestion, and your immunity in a big way. In fact, tomorrow, this is a good time for me to share with you a very special news that tomorrow we will be having a bonus session for all of you. A special session. So it will be at the same timings, 7 a.m., 11 a.m., 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. But it will be a slightly longer session. And the topic for the session is how to improve your digestion. Yeah. So many of us are facing digestive issues nowadays because of our lifestyle, because of the environments we are in, the city-based environments. How to make digestion power strong. We are going to give you practical tips and techniques to strengthen your digestion. So make sure you attend tomorrow's session and also invite your friends and family. Even if they have not attended the challenge so far, they can come for tomorrow's special session. Yes? If you're excited about the digestion session tomorrow, just write D in the comment section. देखिए, हम कल एक बहुत स्पेशल सेशन करने वाले हैं जो कि है पाचन शक्ति को कैसे बढ़ाएं। आप देखेंगे आजकल इतनी सारी जो हमें दिक्कतें हो रही हैं पाचन क्रिया से लेकर, बहुत से लोगों की दिक्कत है पाचन को लेकर। किसी को हाइपर एसिडिटी, कुछ कॉन्स्टिपेशन से पीड़ित हैं, कुछ लोगों को ढंग से भूख नहीं लगती, जो खाते हैं वो पचता नहीं है, या मेटाबॉलिक रेट बहुत स्लो है। तो कुछ ऐसे सरल उपाय जिन्हें हम अपने जीवन में अगर ले आएं तो हमारे पाचन शक्ति बहुत बेहतर हो सकती है। इसके बारे में हम कल बताने वाले हैं। सेशंस उसी टाइम पे रहेंगे, 7 बजे, 11 बजे, शाम को 4 और शाम को 7। आप किसी भी सेशन में जुड़ सकते हैं। कल का स्पेशल सेशन है तो थोड़ा लंबा होगा। रोज़ हम हाफ एन आवर सेशन करते हैं, कल अबाउट 40 to 45 मिनट्स विल बी द सेशन। यस, कल आप अपने मित्रों को, आपके जो सहभागी हैं, घर में भी जो लोग हैं, सबको आमंत्रित कर सकते हैं कि वो इस स्पेशल सेशन का फ़ायदा लें, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो सबको मदद कर सकता है ना। ठीक है, चलिए इसके साथ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस। So today we are going to learn a new pranayam, but before that let's practice Bhastrika and candle blowing. आज हम एक नया प्राणायाम सीखेंगे, उससे पहले चलिए भस्त्रिका करते हैं और कैंडल ब्लोइंग। Take position for Bhastrika and now you can close your eyes. अब अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें, भस्त्रिका के लिए पोजीशन ले लें। Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Give yourself a smile. Relax your face, relax your shoulders. Another breath in and breathe out. Together, with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, 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 in, out and relax. विश्राम करें। Observe the sensations in the body and take position for the second round of Bhastrika. Normal breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out completely. Together, breathe in, out, 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 in, out and relax. तीसरा और आखिरी राउंड, third and last round. Take position. Normal breath in and exhale. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Together, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. We will do candle blowing pranayam. Breathe in from the nose. Breathe out from the mouth as if you're blowing candles. नाक से सांस अंदर लें और मुंह से ऐसे छोड़ें जैसे आप बहुत सी मोमबत्तियां बुझा रहे हो. Continue. Gently relax. You may open your eyes. Today we are going to learn a new pranayam called Bhramari. So how do we do Bhramari? Take the index finger and there is a lid, a cartilage just near the ear. Place your index finger on top of that, right? Now आपकी जो तर्जनी उंगली है उसको कान की ये जो ढकनी है इसके ऊपर रखिए. Now we will breathe in from the nose. And breathing out from the nose, we'll make the sound. And while we are making this sound, we will open and close this lid. And is this clear? हम नाक से सांस अंदर लेंगे, नाक से ही सांस बाहर, पर बाहर जाती हुई सांस के साथ ऐसा स्वर करेंगे और उंगली से इस ढकनी को खोलेंगे बंद करेंगे. ऐसे प्रेस करेंगे छोड़ेंगे, प्रेस करेंगे छोड़ेंगे. एक सांस संपूर्ण होने के बाद ऐसे ही हम अपने आप 5 सांसें करेंगे. We will do this 5 times on our own. You will not be able to hear my instructions, so you will close your eyes and do it on your own. आप मेरा इंस्ट्रक्शन सुन नहीं पाएंगे, इसलिए 5 बार अपने आप करें. आंखें बंद. Bhramari pranayam is very beneficial for giving better quality of sleep. Yeah? Let's close our eyes and start. Breathe in. Relax after you complete your 5 rounds. आपके 5 राउंड हो जाएं तो विश्राम करें. Sit with your spine erect, palms open. You can sit in a comfortable posture, take back rest if you wish. आरामदायक स्थिति में बैठें. पीठ को टेक लगाना चाहें तो लगा सकते हैं. पैरों को फैलाना चाहें तो फैला सकते हैं. If you wish, you can even stretch your legs and sit. Sit in a position comfortable for you. Meditation is not focus or concentration. Meditation means relaxation. Follow Gurudev's instructions lightly without any focus or concentration. ध्यान का अर्थ एकाग्रता नहीं है, ध्यान विश्राम है. गुरुदेव के कहे जाने वाले वाक्यों को भी हल्के मन से सुने, उन पे कोई एकाग्रता ना करें. Let us join Gurudev for the meditation.
Shall we do some meditation? Let's sit comfortably, easily. Eyes closed. Become aware of a silver string passing through the center of your body. The central nadi, madhya nadi पर ध्यान दीजिए. एक हल्का सा ध्यान, just a gentle attention on a central string or a nerve from the base of the spine to the top of the head. And feel that the breath is moving along this string, up and down. सभी मिलकर ओंकार का ध्वनि करते हैं. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Slowly and gradually become aware of body and surroundings. And you may gently, with a big smile, open your eyes.
Slowly and gradually, whenever you feel like it, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे जब भी आपका मन करे आप आंखें खोल सकते हैं. How are you feeling? कैसे लग रहा है आपको? मन शांत है? Are you feeling more peaceful, more calm, more relaxed? You know, this state of mind is the mother of creativity. This is from where creativity comes up, right? So just take out a few minutes today or tomorrow and make sure you express your creativity in whichever way you like. You can write down a few lines of poetry, or you can paint or draw, or even cook a new dish, whatever you like. And do share it with us tomorrow when you join the session. How was it for you? What did you do? And how did it make you feel? देखिए, जो ये आपका अभी शांत मन है, ये सृजनात्मकता के लिए बहुत ही उपजाऊ ज़मीन है. तो ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ, आज तो दिन समाप्त होने वाला है, कल के दिन में कभी भी कुछ मिनट निकाल के ज़रूर अपनी सृजनात्मकता को व्यक्त करें. और फिर उसे हमारे साथ भी बांटे. कल सेशन में कैसा लगा आपको, क्या किया आपने. एंड इफ़ यू विश टू शेयर योर टैलेंट विद अदर्स, you can tag @Art of Living in your Instagram story or Facebook, and we'll also share your creative expression with others. Yeah? Let's take some questions if you have any. But before that, I want to remind you once again, tomorrow we have a very special session, which is tips for better digestion. We are going to share with you some very practical, simple, useful tips to improve your digestive function. Along with that, we will teach you one or two very, very impactful techniques also. तो कल का सेशन बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग भी है, साथ में कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिलेगा हमें. हम जानेंगे अपने पाचन शक्ति को कैसे बढ़ाएं. तो कुछ टिप्स देंगे, कुछ टेक्निक सिखाएंगे. So, feel free to invite your friends, your family, even if someone has not been a part of the challenge. Digestion is something that helps everyone. So invite everyone to join in. You can share the message that you get on your WhatsApp group with your friends and invite them to join the session tomorrow. Tomorrow's session will be a little longer, about 40 to 45 minutes. कल का सेशन स्पेशल सेशन है तो थोड़ा लंबा होगा, 40 से 45 मिनट. तो उतना समय अपने लिए निकाल के ज़रूर सेशन में ज्वाइन करें. So let's take some questions. Our team can help us.
Okay. Should our normal breathing be like yogic breathing, or should we be always aware how we are breathing? All no. For kids, YouTube handle is asking.
Right. No, you don't need to be aware all the time of your breath. You don't have to become paranoid about it. Just while you're doing the pranayama in the session, you do consciously yogic breathing, or just for a few minutes before you go to sleep. And throughout the day, when you're practicing pranayama every day, you're joining the sessions every day, you will notice it starts happening automatically. So you don't need to check all the time. I'm feeling free from all the stress. Many thoughts come in my mind during meditation. How to control them? Vishwas ji, you don't need to control your thoughts during meditation. Meditation means the delicate art of doing nothing, right? So when you start controlling or fighting with your thoughts, it takes you away from meditation. So what are you supposed to do? Just relax. If thoughts are coming, be okay with them. When you don't fight with them, you will notice they come and they go. You are the one who's catching them, right? Thoughts are just coming and going. Just be a witness to them. Yeah. Okay. While taking breath in, my stomach expands only a little bit and then it gets stretched upside. So you know what you can do? You can keep your palm gently, and our attention is to take the stomach outwards. Just that much gentle attention is enough. If you notice that you are expanding more in the chest area than the abdomen, that's also fine, right? At least in the beginning, the intention is only to breathe in more. So it will help you either way. Ma'am, we could sit comfortably even with legs stretched. You have asked us to do this, but does that mean stand good while meditation with Guruji also? Yes, Sudhaji. In both cases, you can keep your legs stretched out.
Shagun is asking how to cure anxiety. My mother often feels it when she hears any unhappy news.
So, for anxiety and fear, there is no one spot solution, When you strengthen the mind, you will feel that there is more resilience in you to take care of these emotions. And it has been found that Sudarshan Kriya is a very, very impactful tool when it comes to tackling fear, anxiety and depression. Yeah? So if your mother has not yet learned, make sure that she learns how to do the Sudarshan Kriya and practices it daily. She'll feel a big, big, big difference. Yeah?
Tanya is saying how to maintain the peace of meditation throughout the day.
Oh, Tanya, don't worry about it. See, all emotions are natural. Sometimes you may feel angry, sometimes you may feel calm. But when you are meditating every day, it's like you are watering a plant, right? Every time we don't go and check, have the roots grown, how many more leaves have come. You water it every day, then you see it starts blossoming, right? So with practice, you will notice more and more through the day automatically that peace is overflowing into the rest of your day also. But for that, consistent practice is very important. So keep joining, keep practicing, it'll happen. Okay, I'll take a few questions also. I fell asleep during meditation and suddenly opened my eyes. Is it okay? It's okay. If it happens once in a while, it's fine. I'm not continuously sitting straight. Is it normal? Yes, of course. You don't need to be like this all the time. You can relax, you can keep backrest. Just begin with an erect spine. Today's yoga, I was a little confused. Do I need to put my index finger inside the ears? I think you are inquiring about the Brahmari, not inside the ear. There is a little, if our camera can just slightly zoom in and show this little cartilage, that you need to press, not the ear, not inside the ear. You can see this little cartilage. Just keep your finger on top of that, open and close, open and close. It's okay. I think you got it. Okay. Please let me know while doing meditation why my body feels lifeless. If you mean that your body feels very still and almost like, that is why it's called Shavasana. You're so still like a shav. But it's not lifeless. It's just that you are feeling very still, right? This is not a lifeless stillness. It is full of energy and enthusiasm. How to reduce back pain while meditating? By doing some stretches before. Yeah, just make sure you are stretching your arms, stretching your legs, stretch your whole body and sit in a comfortable posture. I feel more relaxed while meditating in dim light. Is that normal? Yes. It is good to keep the ambient light slightly low. It will help you. I felt how to control overthinking. I've answered that.
Here Hans Raj is saying he's suffering from anxiety, depression from last 2 years and it's affecting his health. Can meditation help him?
Absolutely, absolutely. Like I answered for the lady before, Sudarshan Kriya is perhaps the most powerful tool when it comes to tackling anxiety and depression. So if you haven't yet learned, stay connected till the 12th. We are going to share with you how you can include that as a part of your life. Yeah? Okay. Is there any pranayam to ease headache? So, Nadi Shodhan pranayam is very, very, very good to reduce that headache intensity. Also, few of the, today we did the Sukshma Vyayam, the micro exercises, you can do that also with a gentle hand, just massaging. But pranayam wise, Nadi Shodhan will help.
Radhika,
I have tingling in the middle of my forehead while meditating. Is this normal? Yes. Yeah.
Radhika wants to know कि कल प्राणायाम कितने बजे चालू होगा? If you will join.
Exactly, we start at about 7. Oh, you mean for the bonus session, for the special session? I would really suggest you join in from the beginning of the session, because those tips for digestion are really useful. In that, we are going to teach you a certain mudra also. So make sure you join on time so that you can learn everything. Yeah. Can we wear glasses during meditation? You can, but you needn't. There is nothing to see, you know. So you can put the glasses aside, it keeps your eye area relaxed. But if you feel comfortable, you know, while putting it on, that's also okay. Can I take water before pranayam? Yes, you can. Is there anything for tetanus? Can you please elaborate? Do you mean tetanus or tinnitus? One, I think it is misspelled. Can you please put that again? When we make breath sound, breath sound will stop, and vice versa during Brahmari. No, Ravina ji, we are making sound with the breath only. You are breathing out. Forget about the breath, you just make the sound. Yeah, keep it simple. How much time to take after meditation? How much time to take for bath? You can leave about 10 minutes and then you can go for a shower. Too much yawning during meditation, is it okay? It's fine. In the beginning, it may happen in the first few days of your practice. This will normalize. Go ahead.
Bhavna is saying, does meditation help in skin disorders, thyroid issues, etc.?
Yes, definitely. But depends on what has caused the skin disorder. You know, if it is related to hormonal imbalance, or is it related to some autoimmune condition, or is it an allergy? What is causing it, right? What meditation will help you with is to bring more balance in your hormonal system, to reduce the stress levels, you know, to increase your digestive ability. All of these things will definitely impact at some level even the skin, right? The skin is an indication of our internal health anyways. Yeah? So it will help. कल मेडिटेशन भी होगा क्या? Yes, definitely. कल के सेशन में डाइजेशन के बारे में भी बात होगी, प्राणायामा प्रैक्टिस भी होगा, मेडिटेशन भी होगा, सब कुछ होगा. Tomorrow session we are going to have tips on digestion, then we will have pranayama, meditation, the whole package.
Subhadeep Das said it's tinnitus.
Tinnitus. So tinnitus, you know, which kind of pranayama you're asking? So Nadi Shodhan will help you, right? Also Brahmari, but do Brahmari, you just check with your doctor once. If he says it's okay, you can practice.
Disha was asking, is tomorrow's special session a paid one?
No. It's all free. You can join anyone can join. You can invite your friends and family also to join. Any asanas to help release tension at the center of the mid back. Can feel it while doing Bhastrika. Alisha, you know what you can do is Bhujangasana, but learn it properly from a good yoga teacher. Yeah, don't do it wrong. Otherwise, what you can do simply is a good waist rotation. You can stand, place your palms on the waist and just rotate the waist. This will also relax your back. What to do for long breathing in bronchitis? Kuldeep ji, don't do as much as possible. If you are suffering from bronchial asthma and you are not able to breathe your breath is not very long and deep, don't worry about it. Do as much as you can. Yeah? With that, let's bring this session to a close. I know we have missed a few questions, but we will keep taking questions after every session. So please post your question again if we haven't answered it yet. Yeah? We'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.